Head count ratio. The head count ratio HC is the simplest way of measuring poverty. It gives the percentage of the population which is below the poverty line. It can be formally defined as the ratio of poor people and the total population. Poverty gap. It is a ratio showing the average shortfall of the total population from the poverty line, the minimum level of income required to secure the basic necessities for survival. In other words, it reflects the intensity of poverty in a nation. Headcount ratio and poverty gap are indeed almost universally reported as the two basic poverty measurements for both temporal and cross-sectional analysis and in both developed and less developed countries. The widely used this measure of HC has serious shortcomings as it is not very sensitive to changes of the income distribution involving poor individuals. In order to give a more appropriate picture of poverty, poverty measures based on the distance between individual incomes and the poverty line should be used. This is the case of the poverty gap. Additional information. The incidence of poverty is measured by the poverty ratio, which is the ratio of the number of poor to the total population expressed as a percentage. It is also known as the head count ratio. Alec Committee, 1979, determined a poverty line based on a minimum daily requirement of 2,400 and 2,100 calories for an adult in rural and urban areas respectively. Subsequently, different committees, Lagdawala Committee 1993, Tendulkar Committee 2009, Rangarajan Committee 2012 did the poverty estimation. As per the Rangarajan Committee report 2014, the poverty line is estimated as a monthly per capita expenditure of rupees 1407 in urban areas and rupees 972 in rural areas.